Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. Appreciate you joining us. Look over here, I got my brother James with me from Amema and Claim 'em Smokers. Appreciate you being here, brother.
Thank you for having me. Love being here.
Yeah, man. We've been hooking it up and having a good time cooking all day, just hanging out. We've got a box we need to open up. I know what this is, but I've never seen it before. So it's a Santa Maria style accessory, a Santa Maria grill for your Weber Kettle. It's from Gabby'sGrills.com. I'll put the link down below if you're interested in getting one. But we're gonna open this baby up, see what she looks like.
Yeah.
Help me do this, man. Help me do this.
It's like a kid on Christmas morning.
It is, isn't it? There you go. Now we're talking. Watch out for them staples. Oh, check that out.
Oh, wow.
Awesome. Awesome.
Cowabunga.
Good. You got it?
Go ahead.
I'll get the box. Get the box out of here.
Okay, this was not what I was expecting.
It's not me either.
But it is awesome.
That's cool. You got a little winch on the side here. Let's put it on the Weber Kettle. See what we got.
That's awesome.
All right, folks. Let's check out, see how this thing fits on my 22.5-inch Weber Kettle. It's got a little lip in here. It just fits right on this top edge of your Weber Kettle. And we took the grill grate out of it.
That is awesome.
Yeah. Give it a try. What do you think?
It's to me, this is I'll tell you what, if you don't want it, I'll take it. But it's got this crank on here.
Yeah, I can't wait to try it out.
Kind of lift the grate up and down closer to the meat or further away from the meat. And it's actually really simple. You're not having to, it's not really heavy where you're really having to crank it really hard. And then once you get it to the desired temp, it has this little lock here.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, there you go.
Set it right in place.
Very nice. I can't wait to try this out. I gotta thank Andy Olson for helping me get this from Junior. Y'all go check it out. Again, link down below in the description box. And Cheryl, I appreciate your input as well. You were gonna hook me up, but Andy'd already done it for me, so good thing. You know what I noticed too?
What's that?
This is made for left-handed and right-handed people.
There you go.
There we go.
Perfect.
All right. Put that down. Lower that down. See? Look. It's effortless, man. Look. I'm just doing this, very, very simple to do, folks.
I'll tell you what, one of the first things that really stands out about this is this grate is really freaking sturdy.
It is.
It is. It's not cheap metal or anything. This is some hardcore stuff.
Yeah, Junior put a lot of work into making this. This is really well built. Really well built. Man, I wish I had tri-tip.
Oh, that would be so awesome.
That's gonna be cool.
We'll use it for tri-tip.
Oh, definitely.
Next
and
time.
Steaks and everything else too. Chicken.
Yes, for sure.
It's gonna be fabulous, man.
This is awesome.
Appreciate you, Junior, for sending this to me. And Andy and Cheryl, thanks again for helping me get one. We're gonna check it out on video soon, folks. Hope y'all go check out Gabby'sGrills.com. And if you're interested in one, he'll hook you up. Thanks for watching, and James, let's do some cooking, man.
Oh, you know it, buddy.
Appreciate you joining me on this unboxing, man.
Thanks for having me.
Y'all be seeing James here soon on my videos. Go check him out. Name him, Claim 'em Smokers. Link down below. Remember to tell all your friends T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody.